Yep, here are the peanuts. And they've been drying for about 7 days now. I'm gonna leave them, I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, they're quite drying out. So I'm gonna take them off of the stalks here and bring them inside. I'm gonna do that today. So let's do a count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this group over here, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 10 or so over here. I'll count them properly later, but they're really quite drying out now, which is cool. Yeah, now here's a sample one. Bring them inside, put them in the fridge. I'm supposed to do that, I think. Put them in the fridge and see when I cook them. I'm going to probably try to, I've heard several things, boil them or put them in the microwave. Let's see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it's looking pretty good. Pretty happy with the first group of peanuts. Okay guys, how you doing? Yeah, I'm checking out my peanuts. Okay, yeah, okay. After harvesting, let's see how it does. Some are kind of small, right? But this is a nice one. Here's another nice one. Right, I'm gonna try it later, and I'm going to keep some for next year. Here's one I'm taking directly out of the shell. I'm proud. Look at those. Look at those. Wowza. Okay, now I have to microwave these for 2 minutes and then turn them over. But here we go so far. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, maybe 10. These are kind of too small to count. Okay, shall we go further, honey? Shall we go on further? Let's do that, shall we? Whoa! Yeah! A couple more good ones. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Alrighty, here's yet another one. I'm gonna save like 4 or 5 to plant for next year. Whoa. Morrow Peanut Harvest. There you go, hon. The Morrow Lab Peanut Harvest is upon us. Morrow Lab, like it's some kind of scientific thing. Wow, there's number, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Number 14, do you hear me? Number 14 peanut. All right, here's a little tiny one. I don't know, maybe that's not gonna make it. But along with that, dish one. I'm not sure if I'm going to save this video. Oh, this is kind of squashy. No, that goes. Okay. That one I just can't open. That one's tough. Let me just pause this. So basically we've got the peanuts here. These are kind of small and kind of not completely dry, but these are the viable ones that are dried and that are just like ready to go. There's 28 of these here, 29. I'm pretty sure I've got a couple more to kind of shell, and then we'll see completely, and then we're going to eat them. So we are microwaving the peanuts, 2 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other side. We're going to try them in about 1 minute and 20 seconds, and we'll see how they turned out. This year is the first time for the Morrow peanut harvest, and it may continue to go on. Absolutely. Catch you later. Hey, we've got the peanuts microwaved up, okay? Woo! There were 29 viable peanuts. I took a few out to plant for next year. Yeah, look at these. This is the first year harvest. I started planting them in the beginning of July and harvested them in around the end of October, as I was told to do, instructed to do. Microwave them for, first of all, I let them dry for several weeks, right, after harvesting, and then put it in the fridge. Now I'm finally getting around to eating them after microwaving each side for 2 minutes. And here's what we have. So these aren't fresh ones. I can't plant these now because they've been microwaved. Yeah. Post microwave. Well, you can hear them like they're kind of like cooling down or whatever. They're like, you can hear the crackle, the crispy crackle. Some people peel the skin and then eat them the first time, or some people leave the skin on. I don't know. I'm going to try both just to see what it's like. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, I took a few out for next year. 21 peanuts. First harvest was 29 peanuts of viable peanuts. A few small ones that, yeah, you can't use for much, so I threw those away. But okay, we're gonna try them in 2 minutes. Wow, these are like super good. Wow, so natural and so good. Oh, I could plant a lot over there in the backyard and also, right? Woo! Ah. Thank you, Hideki Nishiyama. And these are incredible. Oh my God, I'm still eating them. Wow, it worked. Yeah! I'm so happy it worked, actually, right? You don't know. You know these things, right? It worked. It's awesome.